Mövenpick Hotel Apartments Downtown Dubai. A full-service spa, an outdoor pool, and a restaurant are available at this hotel. Free Wi-Fi in public areas, free valet parking, and a free manager's reception are also provided. Additionally, a 24-hour fitness center, a poolside bar, and a sauna are on-site. All 244 soundproofed rooms feature kitchenettes with refrigerators, ovens, stovetops, and microwaves. Mövenpick Hotel Apartments Downtown Dubai offers 244 air-conditioned accommodations with safes and complimentary bottled water. Each accommodation is individually furnished. Pillow-top beds feature Egyptian cotton sheets, down comforters, and premium bedding. A pillow menu is available. 40-inch LED televisions come with cable channels. Kitchenettes offer refrigerators, stovetops, microwaves, and cookware dishes utensils. Bathrooms include bathtubs or showers with rainfall showerheads, bathrobes, slippers, and bidets. This Dubai hotel provides complimentary wireless internet access. Business-friendly amenities include desks and phones. Additionally, rooms include hair dryers and complimentary toiletries. Hypoallergenic bedding and ironing boards can be requested. A nightly turn-down service is provided, and housekeeping is offered daily. An outdoor pool and a children's pool are on site.